In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to OneNote for importing and syncing your data. As you know, both Notion and OneNote are powerful tools for organizing information, but integrating them can help streamline your workflow, making your information management even more efficient. Let's dive right in and explore how to seamlessly connect these platforms. To start, we need to export content from Notion. Begin by accessing your Notion workspace, which is essentially where all your notes and information are stored. Once you're in, navigate to Settings and Members. This is the control center for your workspace settings, where you can manage everything related to your Notion environment. Click on Settings and look for the Export All Workspace Content option. This function allows you to download all your data, which is crucial for moving it over to OneNote. When it comes to choosing the file format for your export, you have two main options, Markdown and CSV or HTML. Both formats are text-based and widely used for handling structured data. Go with the one that you think will best preserve your content's integrity. Exporting in Markdown is often preferred if you want a simple, text-heavy format, while HTML can be useful for retaining more complex layout elements. Once your Notion data is exported, we move on to OneNote, Microsoft's versatile note-taking application. Start by opening OneNote and selecting the notebook into which you want to import your data. This notebook will serve as the new home for your Notion content, organizing it into sections and pages within OneNote. Next, you'll want to make use of the Insert function found on the toolbar. Click on Insert and then proceed to File. Under this menu, select Insert File Printout if you have a PDF or HTML file. This will insert an image of your file content directly into OneNote, allowing for a visual representation on your page. However, if you're working with Markdown content, the process is slightly different. Simply copy the text in your Markdown file and paste it directly onto your chosen OneNote page. This is particularly useful if you want the text to remain editable and easy to format. By following these steps, you can successfully migrate and synchronize content from Notion to OneNote, thus merging two powerful tools at your disposal. This not only aids in organization, but also increases your productivity by offering a seamless way to access and manage your data across different platforms. Remember, exporting and importing data is a fantastic way to back up your important information, ensuring that it's safe and accessible wherever you go. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing with your newly integrated Notion and OneNote setup.